In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade directly on TradingView by connecting your broker step by step, 2025. If you already chart on TradingView, this will let you place orders without leaving your charts. All you need is a TradingView account and a brokerage account from a provider that supports TradingView, such as TradeStation, Oanda, or Alpaca. Availability can vary by region and account type, so if you don't see your broker, it may not be supported in your location. Start by opening TradingView and heading to any chart. Pick the symbol you want to watch, and make sure you're logged in to your TradingView profile so your settings and connections are saved. You can resize or arrange the chart however you like. The connection process is the same. Look along the bottom of the chart for the trading panel. This panel is your command center for broker connections, orders, positions, and account info. Click it to expand the list of available brokers. In the list, find your brokerage. You can scroll or use the search box if it's available. When you find it, click Connect next to the broker's name. That opens a secure login window provided by your broker. Enter your brokerage credentials in that window. Only sign in through the official login prompt you see here, and never share your password or codes with anyone. Depending on your broker's security settings, you may be asked to complete additional authentication, like a code from an app or text message. Have your device handy and follow the prompts to verify. Once the connection succeeds, you'll see your account details populate in the trading panel. Balance, open positions, and working orders should appear and update in real time. Take a moment to confirm the numbers match what you expect in your broker account. Now you can place trades directly from the chart. Use the buy and sell buttons to open the order ticket. Choose your order type, set quantity, and review price levels. Many brokers allow adding stop loss and take profit from the ticket, so configure those if you use them. Double-check everything, then send the order. You'll see the order and any resulting position reflected immediately in the trading panel and on the chart. That's the entire connection process. Keep an eye on market hours, symbol mappings between your broker and TradingView, and always trade responsibly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.